Hey there, it's Allison. I'm a dietitian with the Kroger Family of Companies, and I'm here to talk about National Family Meals Month, which is now in September. What is National Family Meals Month? Well, it's a campaign and a push for families to eat together at home. And why do we want to eat together at home? There's really tons of reasons, but bottom line, and I think my favorite reason, is time together with your family. My second favorite reason is pretty much no matter what you make, it's healthier at home than outside of the home. Restaurant foods are higher in sodium, calories, saturated fat. When you're cooking inside your home, you can control some of those factors and you can still enjoy really delicious foods. So one of the ones I want to talk about today is our Greek quesadilla. It has my favorite cheese, which is feta, sun-dried tomatoes, olives, and super healthy spinach. It tastes great, and it literally is the easiest thing in the world to make. So let's cut it up and see how awesome it is. Your kids are really going to love it, and you're going to love it too. All right, people, let's talk about stir fry. So I really like this in terms of family meals and easy meal planning because you can pretty much throw anything in. So any meat that you have, any veggies that you've got laying around, even nuts, seeds, things like that. You can use a quick cooking rice. So we use brown rice because this is one of our dietitian's pick recipes. We want it to be a little healthier, but it's really super, super easy. Basically, the kick of this is in the seasoning that you do, which is very versatile with anything that goes in it. I also really like this recipe in terms of helping kids eat healthier by exposing them to different flavors. So this one is, again, super easy, super beautiful. Green onions make a perfect garnish for it. Stir fry, it's a win-win on all fronts. Let's talk bison. This is the leanest meat out there in terms of ground meats that you use in recipes. It has the least saturated fat compared to chicken, pork, even really lean beef, but it has the same amount of protein, vitamin B12, iron. It's an awesome choice. It's really heart healthy. And eating heart healthy is important for the whole family, not just people with high cholesterol or heart disease. It's even important for kids. One tip that I give when using a leaner ground meat in any recipe is to actually use a little bit of olive oil when you're cooking it so it doesn't dry out. Bison is an awesome option. You can find it in the grocery store. It's easy to find. It goes into this next recipe, which is our bison chili baked potato. Super good, and we hope you like it. Thanks so much for spending time with us today. We've had a lot of fun talking about family meals. Check back for more tips from our Wellness Your Way experts. We hope to see you soon.